Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to search for a restaurant in the Foodpanda application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone and then click on the search for shops and restaurants button, and then just start typing in your the restaurant that you want to order from. So I'm going to choose Starbucks, and if it's available then it will appear in the top of the screen, so just click on that. And as you can see, there are a sale currently, which if you purchase over a certain amount of money, then they provide free delivery. So just start scrolling down, and you can search for anything from this restaurant. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.